Welcome friends, my name is Santosh Sharma and today I am going to solve a question which is basically depend on the for loop. Okay, for loop, yeah, you can say loop, depend on the loop, but basically for this question I will use for loop. Okay, so let's get started. The question is printing a pattern like if suppose user input 5, then um, patterns are like triangle shape, one star, one, two, third, four, like that star. You can see here. These are the question. You are given a number and you have create a pattern star separated by tab. Tab means backslash and T. Two between gap. Okay. Shown in output format. Okay. So this is a question. To understand solve this question, we need some concepts loop and basically a for loop to solve this question. Loop are the used to basically use for repetition. It used to repetition according to the condition. Okay, so let's get started and understand the concept first. We want to print like that. Suppose user input 5, then star 5 row and 5 columns. Okay, with the triangle shape like that. We're gonna print like that. Okay, what happened? Yeah, okay, like that. These are the questions which are going to be printed using for loop. Okay, so in for loop, basic concept understand first. Suppose f for I equal to 1. Suppose I put it here, initializer. This is called initializer, and semicolon. Sorry, this is semicolon. Semicolon. I is greater than equal to suppose 5, 5, and I and here is a curly braces. Here is a code which is going to be repeat and outside. Here I think this is better on J, because according to our question look at that is J. Okay, so int J is initialized with 1. Okay, and then loop check first here. J has one value, and then loop gone to the here and check here. J is greater than or less than equal to 5, less than equal to 5. Yes, 1 is less than equal to 5, then it is condition are true, going to be true, and loop comes here and execute this statement which is going to be right here. Okay, and then loop go into here and incremented by 1. J plus plus means incremented by 1 into J, then J is now 1, then it will become a 2, incremented by 1 and 2, again 2 is less than equal to 5. Yeah, it's true, again print it or execute it. Okay, like that. Suppose once one time J would be a 6. 6 is less than equal to 5. No, condition is false, then go to here, loop gone to outside. Okay, these are the basic concept how to work for loop. Okay, so for this actually getting, it is basically depend on the 1, 2 row and column. This is a row, this is our row, and this is our columns. Okay, so there is two for loop are required. Two for loop are required because one for loop are using to one. Okay, so this is a magic. According to here 5, then 5 star printed. 5 star here you can see. Suppose here 5, then 5 star printed by according to using condition and loop. Okay, 5 star printed horizontally or vertically only. Okay, so to get it, this is a magic, our magic, and for again for loop using here for loop, same as that for for int 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 I equal to what? I equal to 1. Initialize first, initialize, and to recondition same as that. I is less than equal to what? Less than equal to 5 and I plus plus. Okay, you understood? I bet when code you can understood this perfectly. Here is a written problem. Semi course. Okay, like that. Okay, here when I is going to be initialized by 1, here check it. I is less than 5, yes, true. Then loop is coming here and loop here, basically loop here, and it is also condition true, yes, because 1 is less than equal to 5, then print. But this is another condition, but I want to print according to I. Suppose 1 i's condition is true, then print 1 star. So print 1 star and when I value is 2, then print 2 star. So it is depend on the I condition. So uh, 5 is going to be changed like I. It is basically depend on the I. Okay, so let's get started how to problem solve. When once again I tell you, when this loop are come here and I has one value going to here and this is true, yeah, this is true, this is true, then go to here and print uh, again search this condition, yeah, I equal to 1 also 1, I equal to and j1 equal to also 1, both condition are true, so print here and loop going to and incremented by 1, j are going to incremented by 2, 2 is less than 1, no, so going to be false, then loops comes here and uh, execute this condition and again loop going to be again loop go to the for loop. Okay, like that is the process. Okay, so let's get started with the id and solve it. Our result are required like that. Okay, so solve this problem. First of all, taking a input from the user. Okay, taking an input from the user. So for taking user input, a scanner scr new scanner. Okay, system, sorry, system dot in terminate. SOUT is a shortcut of system dot terminate. What happened here? The system very good, very slow. Please enter a number, yeah, number, and int num equal to scr because it's the object scr dot next int because we are getting integer value. When user are input value, then This value are stored in num variable. Okay, so now condition if j initialize first j equal to 1, j is greater than equal to 5, no 5 no, according to I, but here I am writing num first for understanding only, and j execute. Okay, so sov is a shortcut of print and star and star. Work it first, run it first, and understand the concept. Okay, come on, it takes lots of time. Yeah. Come on fast. Yeah. Yeah, you can see, please enter a number. I put it number 1 like 4. Yeah, you can see here we are getting 4 star vertically because we are giving here ln are breaks the line, one loop satisfied and then breaks the line, and then like that, so vertically are given. When you delete it, then you got horizontally. Okay, come on fast. Yeah, suppose 4 user input 5. Okay, then going to be 5 print because our loop here j equal to 1, and the j 1 is less than equal to 5 compared to the 5, and execute this code, and then j is incremented by 1 and j becomes a 2. Again check condition satisfied, then print it again like that, and j, if j is going to be 6 and 6 is less than equal to 5, no, this condition is false and loop are comes here and terminate it. Okay, so it is a concept. Okay, so basically you understood. Once again I tell you, for gap between gap, so backslash, this helps to gap between the stars. Okay, so run it. Come on. Yeah, yeah, it was 6. Okay, you can see here 6 star is appear, but there is a space between them. Okay, so backslash tr helps to spacing. Okay, that's okay. And already I tell you how to got here. Again int int I equal to 1 semicolon, greater than equal to what, greater than equal to num, because I tell you num I plus plus and terminated curly braces, got it, and paste it between them. Okay, when this condition is satisfied, going to here, and this condition are satisfied, print it, but it is basically depend on the I. Okay, I, so run it, and what is the result output? Okay, suppose I print 7. Okay, ready, 1 2 3, boom boom. But here you can see only many stars are printed in horizontal, because we put here also system.println to next line only. Okay, so print. Come on. Okay, suppose yeah, 6. You can see magic. You can see when user input 6, then 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 row and 6 column are appearing with the uh, triangle shape. Okay, so this is a magic of for loop and this loop. And once again you understand the concept here. When input user 5, suppose 6 is stored into num. Okay, and when loop is coming here, I equal to when slice by 1, and I check it here. Oh, I equal to 1 and go here, condition satisfy or not. I is less than equal to 6, yes. 1 is less than equal to 6, yes, condition are true, then go on here. And again here is a loop, so here comes here, and j is initialized by 1 and go to here. Wait, 1 1 1 is also, I is also 1 here, and j less than equal to 1, 1 is less than equal to 1, this condition going to be true and print 1 star. Okay, and then j increases by 1 and it will be 2. 2 is less than equal to 1, now I value is 1. No, this is wrong, condition are not satisfied, then gone here, loop gone outside of this semicolon, curly braces, and this helps to bring next line, and again loop gone to the here, and again recheck condition like same that, and this is a, and then output are getting like that. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Okay, thank you so much. I hope all are enjoy this video. Thanks.